So we've got our game working. Let's go ahead and build the complete package. So we'll go down to our build settings as we've done before. And from our build settings, we're going to go to our player settings. And over here, we need to reset our company name. So I'm going to set this just to be James. We've got our product name, which is Brickbusters. And in our previous project, we didn't set any icon for our game because we had nothing to use. But this time we've got that nice little logo that we're using on the main menu screen. So over here where we have Texture 2D, we can hit select here. And we can actually select that Brickbusters logo like that. And we can use that as our default icon. It's kind of stretched a little bit weird, but that's okay. When you are actually designing a real icon for your game, you want to make sure it's a square object, but it's fine being that for now. So again, we want to make sure that we force our resolution to be 16:9 for everybody. So everybody has the same kind of way of playing the game and the same visual layout on their screens. And otherwise, you can see our icon. This basically shows you how your icon will look at different scales, but that's perfectly fine. You don't need to worry too much about it. But everything else in our game is now set just the way we want it to. So we've got all that set. So let's go ahead and build our game. So we're going to go to build. We're going to create a new folder here for builds within our project. And we're going to call this Brickbusters version 1. So we'll save this and we'll let that compile. And as it did with the previous project, sometimes it can take a little bit of time. So once it's done compiling, we should get a window popping up with the game itself. Now we can start the game running. Here, we'll leave it as default settings. There we go. We've got our Brickbusters. We can start our first game, and now we can play away to our heart's content. So there you go. That's Brickbusters complete. We've got 2 games complete now, and it's time to move on to the next.